Make a great choice today with the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.